God has already answered your prayers. Hi there, kumusta ka? Napapagod ka na rin bang maghintay sa sagot ni Lord na parang ang tagal na, Lord? At iniisip natin, naririnig kaya talaga ako ng Diyos? But today, I would like to encourage you. God has already answered your prayers. Alam mo, lately, nagme-meditate ako sa Book of Daniel because it's giving me so much hope, strength, and courage to persistently pray and believe na sinagot na ni Lord yung panalangin ko. So just a quick short story about Daniel. He had been praying and fasting for 21 days. For 21 days, walang sagot, tahimik si Lord, at parang walang nangyayari. Pero ang hindi niya alam, the moment he prayed on day 1, God had already heard him and sent an angel para doon sa sagot sa panalangin niya. The reason for the delay, spiritual battle na nangyayari sa unseen world. The moment we speak, the moment we uttered our prayers, andun na rin nakaabang yung kaaway kasi ayaw niyang matupad yung panalangin mo, lalo na kung alam niya that will bring glory to God's name. But in reality is, God has already answered his prayers day 1 pa lang. Sabi sa Daniel 10:12, Daniel, huwag kang matakot sapagkat sa unang araw pa lamang iyong pagpapakumbaba sa Diyos, sa hangad mong maunawaan ang mga pangitain, tinagot na ang iyong dalangin. Kaya pumarito ako upang dalhin ang kasagutan sa iyong panalangin. At yun yung nagbibigay ng strength sa akin ngayon. Why I need to keep praying and praying kahit alam ko, kahit parang walang sagot, kahit parang tahimik ang langit. Pero paano nga ba talaga natin malalaman kung sinagot nga talaga ni Lord yung panalangin natin? You will know. Malalaman mo, mararamdaman mo na lang sa puso mo. Because God will give you the strength to keep praying about it. Yung kahit feeling mo imposible, pero ipagpipray mo pa rin, yung kahit na feeling mo mahirap, hindi ka pa rin nawawalan ng pag-asa na, hindi, isang dasal pa to kay Lord. He will make it happen this time. And His grace sustains you while you are waiting. Kaya kapit lang tayo, dasal pa tayo. Even before you see the answer, God has already heard you. Yung may urge ka and the strength to keep on praying, that's your assurance that God is still with you while you are praying. God is listening. God is working behind the scenes. And if you keep praying, makikita mo ang kamangha-manghang bagay na ginagawa ng Diyos sa sitwasyon mo ngayon.